Begin by opening a new Internet Explorer window and navigating to the Works application. We recommend bookmarking this address, but quick links to Works can be found on the Financial Services website under University P-Card in the Faculty and Staff section. To log into Works, type in your username and password. Your username is the first half of your email address, before the @ symbol. If you have forgotten your password, please email the P-Card administrator at the address on the screen or call the U-Buy helpline at 758-8289 for assistance. Do not use the Forgot Password link that displays on the login page. Begin the updating process by clicking the words Sign Off displayed in the table at the top of the screen. An expanded listing of all the charges that you have made that have posted to your P-Card account will display. These are all transactions that require updating. Please note that even though all of these transactions have default information listed to identify them, you must review them and add a valid business purpose to each transaction. Select a charge to update by clicking anywhere in the row that it's in at the top of the screen. Detailed information for that charge will then display at the bottom of the screen. The first piece of information that you will review is the North Carolina sales tax for that charge. Note that this information is displayed on the General tab. Make sure Sales Tax Included is the selection for tax status. If not, click the drop-down arrow to select it. Enter the North Carolina sales tax in the Sales Tax Total field if applicable. Regarding sales tax, please remember there are some items for which you will not list North Carolina sales tax. If you have any questions about entering North Carolina sales tax, please see the quick guide on the Financial Services website entitled Sales Tax Guidelines when using the P-Card. Review and update the information as needed in the Sales Tax Total field. Be sure to click Save when you are finished updating. The next piece of information to update are the business purpose for the charge and the accounting information so that the charge is paid from the correct budget. These items are displayed on the Allocation tab. After clicking the Allocation tab, click the Add Edit button in the bottom left corner of the screen to update the business purpose and accounting information. The business purpose should be typed into the description field. Begin by highlighting everything displayed by default in this field and delete it. You don't want any of the information that defaults here to be displayed. Once the field is clear, type in your individual business purpose for that particular charge. In order for your business purpose to be complete and valid, be sure to include who, what, when, where, and why. Now you will review and update, if necessary, the accounting information for this particular charge. The information that is displayed by default is based on the information you submitted on your application for your P-Card. Remember that you can select any budget number within the university as long as you have permission from someone who can approve the budget number being used. An email granting permission is fine as long as it includes the following: the supplier name, the dollar amount being charged, and the budget code. Please be sure to verify the number in the account field. Works makes its best guess as to which number to use, but you must ensure that the number is correct. Once you've verified and updated, click the OK button at the bottom of the screen. Works will then take you back to the expanded listing of your charges. The final step is to sign off on the charge you just updated. To do that, simply click the Sign Off button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. A sign-off dialog box will display. Simply click the OK button. Your transaction will then be removed from the list at the top of your screen, but will be visible when you print your statement. If you need the transaction back, please email the P-Card administrator.